Welcome back, guys. In today's video, we are talking about what to expect on your favorite Star Life series this January. There's a lot of drama unfolding, and you definitely don't want to miss any of it. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that button and tap the bell icon so you're notified whenever a new video drops. Alright, let's jump straight into today's video. Out 1st January 2026 amid Lata's threats, Ashanta's tricks, and Surjo's anger, Noyontara investigates Shaoli's death. She spots the mysterious Pari of the Mahal wandering outside at night. January 2nd, 2026 after interfering with a ceremonial ritual, Noyontara is scolded. Later, when she injures herself while helping Surjo, he tenderly tends to her wounds. January 3rd, 2026 as Noyontara risks her life to protect Surjo, Lata is unexpectedly touched by her bravery. Meanwhile, Shaoli warns Noyontara that she has only 6 days to prove her innocence. January 4th, 2026 to uncover the truth behind Shaoli's death, Noyontara seeks Palmi's assistance. Meanwhile, Lata closely monitors her actions, causing chaos in Hasiram's kitchen. January 5th, 2026 Noyontara urges Palmi to find the truth about Shaoli's death. Later, Palmi informs Surjo that Noyontara has left the house, increasing tension. January 6th, 2026 Palmi warns Noyontara that Lata knows their location. Later, Lata and Pandit secretly plot to eliminate Noyontara. January 7th, 2026 Noyontara discovers secret communication between Shaoli and Surjo before her death. Meanwhile, Lata orchestrates an accident that incapacitates Shaoli's mother, preventing her from helping Noyontara. January 8th, 2026 Lata confesses to murdering Shaoli and dares Noyontara to expose her. Later, while plotting mischief, she arranges Noyontara and Surjo's wedding night. Meanwhile, Surjo demands Shaoli's photograph, and Lata blackmails Noyontara after restless spirits implore her for help. January 9th, 2026 Lata and Gurudev reveal their responsibility in Lalita's murder. Lalita had discovered a clue to the treasure, which can only be claimed by Noyontara. January 10th, 2026 Noyontara resolves to expose Lata and Gurudev after uncovering their malicious motives. Shaoli's hidden photograph enrages Surjo. January 11th, 2026 while plotting to leave the country and escape Noyontara, Surjo is warned by Lata. Meanwhile, Shaoli draws closer to achieving her goals. January 12th, 2026 Noyontara questions Lata during a ceremonial ritual, attempting to expose her. Later, she asks Surjo's Nani about Lalita having a twin. After learning from Nani that Lalita had a twin, Noyontara tries to reveal Lata's mole but fails, eventually crossing paths with Surjo. January 13th, 2026 determined to stay with Surjo after learning of Lata's plans, Noyontara stands firm. Meanwhile, Surjo vents his frustration over Shaoli's lingering memories. January 14th, 2026 while reminiscing about Shaoli, Surjo helps Noyontara explore Kolkata. Later, she surprises him with a heartfelt confession of her feelings. January 15th, 2026 Noyontara prevents Surjo from drinking poisoned coffee by rushing into his cabin. To prove the danger, she bravely drinks the coffee herself. January 16th, 2026 Surjo panics after witnessing Nayanthara's struggle for life. He remains by her side, offering prayers for her swift recovery. January 17, 2026 Nayanthara's soul rises to witness Surjo's desperation while she lies comatose. She reassures Shaoli that Surjo is not responsible for her condition. January 18, 2026 Lata requires Nayanthara to be alive to claim the treasure, but Shaoli steals the antidote. Lata swears to eliminate Nayanthara once the treasure is secured. January 19, 2026 Converted from atheism, Surjo walks barefoot to the temple, praying fervently for Nayanthara's recovery. January 20th, 2026 Nayanthara is revived by the intensity of Surjo's love for her. Later, overwhelmed by emotion, Surjo insists she stay in his room. January 21st, 2026 Brought to Surjo's room, Nayanthara and Surjo's chemistry ignites. Lata, witnessing their growing trust and affection, feels defeated. January 22nd, 2026 Nayanthara settles into Surjo's home, where his family dotes on her. She carefully tastes meals meant for Surjo to ensure they aren't poisoned. January 23rd, 2026 Surjo intervenes to stop Nayanthara from fasting. Later, he manages to feed her when she falls asleep, deepening their bond. January 24th, 2026 Shaoli fails to attack Nayanthara when she falls on Surjo, who comforts her. Meanwhile, Lata plots to kill Surjo after making Shashadhar sick. January 25th, 2026 When Surjo gives Nayanthara a phone, she playfully teases him. Later, she insists on alerting authorities about the poisoning attempt. January 26, 2026 Nayanthara assures Nani that she will expose Lata's evil schemes. She also warns the authorities that spirits have foreseen dangers targeting Surjo. January 27, 2026 Unable to prove her connection with the spirits, Nayanthara is accused of fraud by Lata. Surjo, however, defends her. January 28, 2026 Nayanthara learns from Ashalta that Lata disappears at night. She follows her and discovers her preparing poison in a hidden room. January 29, 2026 Before Nayanthara can expose Lata's plot, she vanishes. Determined, Nayanthara plans the Mansa Puja for Nag Panchami. January 30th, 2026 During the Mansa Puja, Lata sets a snake loose in Surjo's room. Alerted, Nayanthara rushes to protect him. January 31st, 2026 Nayanthara rescues Surjo without breaking her ritual, leaving Lata defeated. Lata attempts to frame Nayanthara for the snake attack, but her plan falters.